Hello, my friends, and welcome back to Number Corner. So I'm going to turn my screen a little bit so you can see my pocket chart. And I'm going to put some 10 frames up there. As I'm putting them up there, show with your fingers how many dots you see. So first I see 1, 2, 3. Think to yourself, do you see a pattern yet? 4. What pattern do you notice? 5. All right, we're going to stop there so you can see and think about the pattern. I want to make sure you understand that there is a pattern going on here. So we start off with 1. We added 1 more to get to 2. And then we added 1 more to get to 3. And 1 more to get to 4. And then 1 more to get to 5. So if this pattern continues and I add 1 more, how many will I have? 6. All right, continue the pattern. 1 more than 6 would be 7. And then 1 more than 7 would be 8. 1 more than 8 would be 9. And let's add 1 more to 9. And what will we have? 10. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have another set of 10 frames. You will notice that these dots are actually blue as well, but they're going to show these numbers in a different way. So sometimes we can have the same amount, but shown in different ways. Okay, so let's look at the different ways. So I'm going to mix up these 10 frames, and then I'm going to show it to you, and I want you to tell me where their partner is. So where is the 10 frame that has the same amount? So let's start with this one. How many do you see on this? I see 4 too. Can you point to the one that also has 4? Hopefully you point to this one. So I'm going to put it underneath. So you're looking underneath. So look at the 2 different ways to make 4. So up here, it kind of looks like 2 and 2. Where down here, it looks like 4 and 0. Up here, all the 4s are over here, but the 4 is only in the top row. So they're showing us different ways to make 4. All right, let's look at this one. How many is that? 8. All right, see if you can find the 8. Find the 8. Point to it, point to it. Awesome job. So I'm going to put it underneath again. So look at the different ways to make 8. Here it's 4 and 4. But down here it's 5 and 3. Oh my goodness, look at the different way to make 8. 4 and 4 or 5 and 3. All right, let's look at the next one. How many is that? 2. All right, point to where the 2 is. Awesome job. So look at the different ways to make 2. Up here it looks like 1 and 1. Over here it looks like 2 and 0. Look at that. 1 and 1. 2 and 0. All right, here's the next one. What's this? 6. All right, find 6. Awesome. So let's look at how they made it. Here it looks like 3 and 3. And what would this combination be? 5 and 1. So this is different ways to make 6. 3 and 3. 5 and 1. Awesome job. All right, here's a big number. What's this? 9 and 9 actually looks the same on both 10 frames, because there's really only one way to make 9 on a 10 frame. So what do we have? 5 and 4. Look at that. And 5 and 4. So I'm just going to put it on top of each other since it looks exactly the same. All right, here's another one. How many is this? 7. Can you find 7? Find 7. Where is it? Oh, there you go. Look at that. So there's 7. So I have 4 and 3 and 5 and 2. So when I'm saying 4 and 3, I'm looking at the first row and the bottom row. So 4 on the top, 3 on the bottom. And the same, looking at the top row, 5 at the top, 2 on the bottom. Okay? All right, let's look at this one. 5. Can you point to 5? Point to it, point to it. Awesome job. So let's look at the ways they made 5. So I have 3 and 2. 5 and 0. 3 and 2. 5 and 0. Ways to make 5. All right, how about this one? 3. Can you point to 3? Well, hopefully you're not just sitting there, you're actually pointing. All right, loves, let's see. So let's look at the ways they made 3. 2 and 1, 3 and 0. 2 and 1, 3 and 0. All right, this is an easy one. 1. So like the other big number, well, the big number, sorry. There's only one way to make 1. Just one more time. All right, there's only one left. Which one's left? 10. And like 9 and 1, there's only one way to make 10 on a 10 frame. Is to fill up that whole 10 frame. So they look exactly the same. 5 and 5 make 10. Awesome job. So remember, boys and girls, there are different ways to make the same number. Awesome job. So think about those different combinations. All right, boys and girls, enjoy the rest of your day. Bye, friends.